Now, quite often when we're composing, we make decisions just to get started really quickly and then realise that we might want to change a few things. For example, the grand piano isn't a typical fanfare instrument. So let's have a look at how we might start changing this and making it a little bit more fanfare-like. So obviously a big change here is going to be changing it away from a grand piano. So what I want to do is I'm going to select my grand piano just by clicking on the grand piano word. If I want to change the instrument, there's a nice replace button. I'm going to click on replace and then choose a different instrument. Being a fanfare, some brass would work really well, so I'm going to click on trumpet and then just press done. And here we are, a trumpet. It doesn't quite look like a normal trumpet. That's because the grand piano had two staves, what we call the grand stave, whereas trumpet is normally just on one line of music. So let's look at the other way that we can change instruments. It's the same idea. I'm going to click on an instrument name. And then I'm going to add in a new instrument. So I'm going to add a trumpet and click done. So now I've got my single line of trumpet music at the bottom. Let's copy and paste the trumpet from here to here. Remember, select by clicking on the first note and then shift clicking on the last note. And then we can copy up the top, select where we want it to be pasted, and then just hit paste. And there it is, it's on my trumpet line. That's great, but I've now got two trumpets, so how do I delete an instrument? You've probably guessed this already. Click on the instrument name. Here's my first trumpet at the top. These will always be listed in the order they are in the score. So I know they're both called trumpet, but it's the top trumpet that I want. So it's this top trumpet in the list. And I'm just going to remove. Are you sure? Yeah. Fabulous. And then before you hit done, you can check that you've actually changed what you want to change. It'll give you a preview of your score on the right hand side. So if you've made any mistakes, just cancel. Click the X at the top. But I'm happy with that, so I'm going to click done. And there we are. I now have my lovely trumpet music. You don't have to copy and paste from pre-existing instrument, of course. We can add in extra instruments. For example, just add in a horn part. And then compose on there as we possibly normally would.